Good morning. My name is Jonathan Palacio Torrado. Um, on evaluation and negotiation on technology. Okay. Um, okay. Problems negotiating by two parents. Mm, Denny. Okay. And Denny wishy is by to parit is to pose by focus panic as suggested they thought that parents the new technology of the project and the investigation and reaches and defeats reaches in the faces at the debility and the debiling on problem. Okay. Um, Its importance is the chevron is the says and the neighborhood bees need paused a face the says level with the pit labeled that has so city of to read element on how volume that not be I because uncaused based on how those elements at the parent the technology at the bed there is chosen. Okay. The problem the requires a base the intellectual probably the parent was rebelled and the are inflates and the freights are flights. Mm, and to not describe on current fleet, the problem fleets and new washing in tribute on not the guarded formation either the youth of the world were a lot fabricated on improver native eye focus and inflicts. Lack of liquid fitment endo by checken back causing Fernandez Duret da Provident Arabic clase in B Chamfred que be say for the blood test. Thank you.